What if you could repair your credit, boost your score, and take control of your financial future all from your laptop?
So forget overpriced credit repair companies and generic templates. Today we're revealing how AI-powered DIY software, Luxury Credit Hacks, is helping people erase negative items, track every change, and finally help you get approved. Okay, Money Magnets, let's jump into helping you get a higher credit score.
If you're serious about fixing your credit so you can start a business, maybe buy a home, or just get a fair shot, you're in the right place. Make sure you guys stick around to the end.
So smash the like button, subscribe, comment below, and with your biggest credit struggles, are you stuck with collections, charge-off, or tired of getting denied?
Look, guys, make sure you stay to the end. We're giving away a free business strategy call where we'll review your credit, give you a custom plan, and remember, the link is in the description below. Make sure you book a Zoom call where you can actually meet Gloria and myself.
Let's be real. Most credit repair companies charge anywhere from $100 to $200 a month. Keep you waiting for over a year and have no clue of what they're doing. Let's be real, Marvin.
A lot of them use the same old letters on every client. The credit bureaus have seen them all. That's why the results are slow, unpredictable, and then you feel powerless. And a lot of you guys don't realize this. You should actually mail your letters yourself, because a lot of the bureaus look at the address. If you live in Dallas, Texas, they want that letter coming from Dallas, Texas.
Facts. I agree with you 100%, Marvin. If you try to fix your credit alone, then you know how confusing it can be. You don't know what to dispute, how to write the letter, when to follow up. Most people, Marvin, they quit before they even get started good.
Yep, and if you guys are tired of the slow lane, drop AI in the comments below. We want to know what you guys are frustrated with. Is it charge-offs, collections, or maybe inquiries? Drop AI in the chat.
Okay, so here's what makes Luxury Credit Hacks different. For just $1 a day, you get access to our AI-powered platform that scans your credit report for all three bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and even Equifax in less than 1 minute.
And look, guys, the software automatically finds every error, wrong addresses, outdated accounts, late payments, collections, charge-offs, and more. So if you're ready for that, guys, you need to look in the description below.
And then the AI generates a custom dispute letter for each negative item. These are not generic templates. The software creates a unique letter for every situation and for every bureau.
Yep, and look, then you can stay in control. But AI does all the heavy lifting. Like this video if you want to see real AI that can do it for your credit. Also, share this video with somebody else. If you got good credit, share it with someone else that may be struggling with their credit.
Now, sign up is simple. Create your account, connect your credit report, and let the software scan your profile and do all the work for you.
And the great part about it, you're going to see a dashboard with every negative item highlighted. The system literally walks you through which items to dispute first, and it even tells you what's the best suggested reason based on thousands of disputes that have been deleted in the past from our other clients.
And then with just one click, your personalized dispute letters are generated. You just print, sign, and mail. The letter comes straight to your email.
And look, the software tracks responses and reminds you when it's time to send follow-up letters. No more missing deadlines, no more confusion, no more calling the credit repair company and they ghost you and you trying to figure out what's going on with my credit. The software keeps up with everything, guys.
Okay, and it's only $39.95 a month. It's a subscription base. It includes built-in credit monitoring. The software refreshes your credit report every 30 days so you know what has changed on your credit and exactly when you need to mail your next set of letters. So you will have to do a little bit of work.
Yep, and look what Matt Barnes had to say about what Luxury Credit Hacks did for him.
What up? This is Matt Barnes. And like most of you guys, my parents messed my credit up when I was in college with them damn Discover cards. Throughout my MBA career, I was desperately trying to find people to help me improve my credit score. I paid tens and thousands of dollars for empty promises. About 2 years ago, I found my guy Marvin on Instagram with luxury credit hacks, and it changed my life. He took my score from a low 500 to the mid 700s, and it's still climbing. You guys need to check them out. They changed my life. They can change yours. You can find them at luxurycredithacks.com and tell them I sent you.
All right, now guys, you can track which items have been removed, which items are still pending, and watch your score improve in real time. That's right, it's got a credit monitoring connected to it. So any alerts, any new negative items, you're gonna get an alert from it. And then guess what? So you can dispute them before any real damage happens to your credit.
So what that means is no more waiting for months to see results. You'll know exactly where you stand every step of the way.
So if you want to see your score move up instead of being stuck on repeat, comment AI below and we're going to send you the link.
Marvin, I love this. So let's talk about value, okay? So traditional credit repair companies normally cost about $1,500 to $3,000 over 18 months. And you're left in the dark, not knowing what's going on or what to do.
Yep, and so what we tried to do is make luxury credit hacks super affordable. So it's only $39.95 a month, no contracts. You can cancel at any time. You get advanced AI that gives you step-by-step guidance and total transparency. So if you want to cancel it, cancel it. But I suggest you watch the videos in there, take your time, and guys, get your credit fixed for a little bit over $1 a day.
Okay, you'll learn the process so you'll never depend on anyone else again. This you taking control. If you have new negative items pop up, you're ready to handle them yourself instantly. If you want to help your family members or your friends, you can like and share this with them. This is you taking your power back and taking control.
And look, guys, you can do this for free with ChatGPT if you know how to use prompts and you know how to actually command ChatGPT. But if you want a guided, step-by-step, transparent system, you guys ought to look at this. And look, like and share this video if you believe you can take control of your finances. Think about how long bad credit has been costing you money.
Yes, our software is 100% compliant with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Every dispute letter is crafted to protect your rights and maximize your chances for success, which is really, really important because it's about you taking control and getting your credit score higher.
Yep, so it's no shady tactics. Everything is legal, ethical, and you can do effective credit repair. The software only disputes items that are inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable, so results are real and actually lasting.
And you also can find a library of educational resources so you'll understand your rights and avoid future credit pitfalls.
So if you want safe, permanent results, guys, comment AI below and Gloria and I will make sure we send you the link in the comments.
We've seen users jump from 100 points all the way to 200 points in under 6 months. People have qualified for car loans, mortgages, and even new credit cards. They never dreamed that it could be possible, but what they did was they took control of their credit.
Look, and one user had 5 collections removed in 60 days. Another saw their score go from 540 to 710 in just a few months because the AI caught the errors that they never knew existed.
Imagine what you can do. With a clean credit report, you get lower interest rate, more approvals, and real financial freedom.
So look, if you're ready for your own success story, make sure you like this video and share it with someone who needs it. And also comment AI so we can send you guys the link over right now and you can get started.
Okay, Money Magnets, getting started is so easy. Sign up for $39.95 a month. No contracts, no hidden fees. Connect your credit report and let the AI do the rest.
And look, you don't need to be a credit expert. The platform is designed for beginners with simple instructions, video walkthroughs, and friendly support. You can cancel at any time, but most users stick around until their reports are clean. And then also they'll give us a call and say, hey, Marvin, how do I just convert over to the credit monitoring where I can keep watch on my credit now that I have a 700 credit score?
Okay, so Marvin, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking to rebuild your credit and get funded at a credit union, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.